Upgrade your industrial and commercial lighting with PLT's UFO LED Highbays. Designed to meet diverse lighting needs, UFO Highbays are available with or without reflectors to suit your specific requirements. Models with reflectors deliver a more diffused, wide-angle light directed in all directions, perfect for general lighting. UFOs without a reflector provide focused, controlled light distribution, ideal for spaces that require directed illumination. Both styles are available with a wide range of features, including static or selectable outputs, adjustable beam angles, combined direct and indirect lighting options, and pre-installed sensor ports. These fixtures also support a wide voltage range for seamless integration with diverse electrical systems, and many models offer 0 to 10 volt dimming for customizable brightness control. All PLT UFO LED Highbays are built with high-quality components and carry multiple certifications like UL and DLC. Use these fixtures in warehouses, grocery stores, manufacturing plants, gymnasiums, and more. For these and other high-quality commercial lighting fixtures, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our lighting experts or visit us at 1000bulbs.com.